Hi, in front of me I have Suunto 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout settings on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, double tap on the screen or press the left upper button on your watch. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select display option. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have screen timeout option. Let's select it, and here we can select between 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. Tap on the option you like, for example 10 seconds, then tap the check mark to confirm, and now our screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. And that's how you change the screen timeout settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.